Tapos may order na naman daw siyang chicken paita. Tinawag ako para videoan daw. Videohan ko daw siya. So ayan. So ayan, naghugas muna siya ng kamay.
Onion.
Yes. Okay.
Chicken sis.
The talented Indian chef. Ayan, binibilog niya mga paps. Tapos yan, ginagamitan niya na ng rolling pin para mabilog niya ng at ma-flatten niya yung dough. Kaya kumuha siya ng baking paper. Ayan, dyan niya lalagay yung pizza. Ayan, ayan. Tsaka niya ayusin ngayon. So ayan, inaayos na. And now you are putting the sauce. Okay. How many tablespoons? 2. Then you spread all over the dough. Yan, i-spread niya lahat, buong yan, sa dough. Okay, now, you spread all over the pizza dough, right? And then what next? You will put? So, simple lang this one is only simple ingredients, only onion and mixed capsicum. Okay, now we are putting the white onion. After the white onion, we are now putting the red capsicum or the bell pepper. And next is the green bell pepper, guys. Okay. I need to speak English because this chef is from India. He cannot understand Tagalog. That's why I need to speak English. He recommended me to speak English. Otherwise, he said, no one can understand. Nakikita niyo medyo madilim dito kasi yung ilaw namin is nakadim lang. Yan yung ilaw namin. Hindi siya yung over. Now we are putting the chicken. This one marinated chicken, right?
Yes. Very easy.
After the chicken, now you are putting the Okay, now we are putting the mozzarella cheese. Okay, what next? After the mozzarella cheese, you put in the oven now.
Yeah.
Same 3 minutes or more?
Same.
Okay. Okay, now you make the oven ready and now you will put the pizza. So yan mga paps, lalagay niya na dyan. Tatasan niya lang yung temperature. Lalagay niya na sa Tapos ikot-ikutin lang niya ito para pantay-pantay yung pagkakaluto. It means that you need to turn so that it cook properly. So yan, ikutin niya naman niya. You turn again. Now, i-remove the pastry sheet para mas madaling maluto yung ilalim ng pizza. Yan, i-turn again. Then return in the oven. Okay, now finish. 8 slice, right? Why you cannot make 9 slice? Siyempre mga paps, mahirap naman yung 9 slice. Trip na lang ng customer yun. Minsan pagtripan na lang nila yung cook kapag kinabing 9 slice. Hindi kaya 11. Kaya laging 8 slice. Ayan po. Huh? Yeah. If the customer saying 9 slice, you can make?
Yeah.
Okay, this is now the chicken fajita. Wow, delicious. The Indian chef. Say hi, no? Thank you for watching. Sino ka na? Salamat po mga paps. Salamat po sa panonood. Thank you. Bye-bye.